Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here, you know the drill. If you have not hit subscribe yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. I need you to go ahead and hit that button right now because you do want to stay updated on all the videos that I got coming to you. And I am extremely grateful because I am almost at 1K. We inching there. It's going a little slow, but we getting there. And there's a giveaway coming. All right. And that giveaway might include a little bit of Fenty Beauty Beach Please collection, you know. And if you want that for the free, I need you to go ahead, hit subscribe, take your mama, take your friend, to her cousin, to her mama, sister, friend, cousin, to everybody to go ahead and subscribe so that they do stay updated when I give the details of that giveaway. So today I have this look for you guys. This is like a going out type of glitter, cut crease type of look. But when I think about looks for going out, I think of black. I always think of all the palettes that I got that has that black, like that matte black right there in the corner that you just most of the time never touch. Let's just be honest, these palettes are expensive. And if we gonna spend all our coins on these palettes, we wanna make sure we use the whole thing. Go ahead, plain, you know, I'll wait. So on this video, I kind of wanted to show you guys exactly how to blend your blacks to make sure that you're comfortable with it, how to do it so that you can use all of your palette, you know, because we ain't about wasting no money. I'm just saying. If you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching and I'll see y'all at the end. Okay guys, so we're super close today. I do want to show you guys up close how to do this eye look. So the first thing I'm going to do, well, first of all, my eye is already primed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the transition color, which is lighter. Then I'm going to gradually go deeper. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into my Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to go into the color Rustic. And with like wiping motions, I'm going to go ahead and put that in my crease. And you can bring this up as high as you want depending on how much of a gradient you want. You know, because everybody don't have all this lid space like me. And I'm not complaining, Lord. I'm not complaining, but it's a lot. So you got to know how to blend. So I definitely have to teach myself, so I'm gonna be out here looking a hot mess. Oh Lord, why y'all didn't tell me I was ashy between my fingers, bro? That's not cute. Y'all terrible. Y'all know y'all saw that. Y'all could let a sister know. So from there, I'm gonna go into the color Cypress Umber, and I'm gonna put that into the crease as well, right underneath Rustic. I'm gonna go into the color Nowhere. Okay, guys. It's spelled N-O-I-R, so just don't judge me because I don't know how to say it. But with a more concentrated brush, I'm going to go into the black color in the Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to press that into my crease first. And the reason that I'm going to use a brush that's really like concentrated, and it's my Ray Ray brush of BA's Cosmetics, and it's the number 7 brush, is because you want that color to be exactly where you want it to be. You don't want to use a fluffy brush like what I just used because it will be everywhere. Okay? So we're going to stamp it first. And you want to make this as pigmented as possible right where you want the majority of that color to be. And then with that same brush or with a clean one, if you use this brush, go ahead and wipe it off like on a makeup wipe or on a paper towel or something. Pretty much I'm going to just sweep it out towards the outside and hopefully it starts to blend. Y'all see that? That's what we want. That way we don't make all the black travel all over the lid. And then if you feel the need to blend anymore, take the big brush that you use for your brownish colors and just dust over the edges. So from there, if it's annoying you, which it is annoying me, all this fallout, I'm going to take my makeup wipe and I'm going to get rid of that and make my sharp edge right now. And you can also use tape for this as well. Now we have a black crease. That wasn't so bad, was it? That wasn't so bad. Alright, so from there we're going to cut our crease. I am going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the color Deep. And this is the same one that I also use to prime my eye. And then right on the edge, I'm going to taper it off with a clean brush because I do want the black to blend in right there. So I'm going to use my Shayla by ColourPop Perception palette today to create kind of a gold ombre. So the first color I'm going to go into is Unbothered. Then I'm going to go into TF in the middle, and then I'm going to go into Diva on the edges. And then I'm going to take some black and I'm going to just go over just the corner of this and blend it into Diva. So overall, the eye is looking the way I want it to look. I'm going to go in with my Pretty Vulgar, the ink liner. And I do plan on doing a full tutorial for how to get your wing liner perfect every time. That is on the way. And then from there, I do want to add just a little bit of extra pop, so I am going to use some glitter today. I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter primer, and then right on top of that, I'm going to put the NYX Shimmer Down pigment. I swear, y'all are not riding for me today. My lash coming off, boy, y'all just letting me continue working. I need y'all look at me out here looking crazy. And then from there, I'm going to put on my mascara, and I'm going to apply my lashes as well. And today I'm using Lilly lashes, which is in Miami. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off my face. Of course, as usual, everything that I use on my face will be listed down in the description box below, so you can check that out if you do want to know what I use for my base. So for my under eye, I really want to do some color. I know I can just make this like all the way smoked out, but you know me, gotta do the most. I also am attempting to not make this pink. Obviously, you guys have already seen the thumbnail, so you know what color it's gonna be, and I don't. But you know, let's just see. Matter of fact. So I am just gonna use my ColourPop You Had Me a Hello palette, and I'm gonna use this color here, which is Look See, and I'm gonna place that right on my lower lash line. We're gonna see how this turns out. And I'm going to go ahead around the edges of that and buff it out. And I could leave this matte, but y'all know me. I'm not going to leave it matte. So in the Soft Glam palette, I'm going to go into Sultry. Let's put Sultry on the inner corners. And to brighten that up in the inner corners, I am going to go into Rose Pink and put that over Sultry just to, you know, make that a little brighter. And to make that a little bit deeper, I'm going to go in with a liner brush, like a flat liner brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that black color right at the lash line. And then I'm gonna line my waterline with my gel liner that I used earlier, and I'm gonna go in with my mascara. So for my highlight today, I'm gonna go into my It's My Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go into the color French Toast. So I want this to be super bronzy. So here's what I'm thinking. To make this do even more of the most, we are gonna go ahead and use our Fenty Beauty Beach Please collection, and we're gonna highlight with Sangria Sunset. Yeah, that's happening. And I low-key wanna do a blush with this look, y'all, but you know, that's just gonna be doing way too much, so I'm not gonna do that. No, we're not going there. That's not happening. Let's not get carried away. So for lips today, first of all, I'm gonna get a little Vaseline because these lips feeling real dry. So in my lippy lookbook, I use this NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream. I think I'm gonna try this and let's see how this looks. And that's a vibe. I like that. And we're gonna spray our face. And I'm done. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below if you want to, and hit subscribe below if you have not yet. And I'll see y'all on my next upload. Bye. So from there, I'm gonna go into the color Sis Ray Ray palette. Oh Lord. Oh my goodness. Of course I just did that. Of course I did. And we're gonna highlight with Mimosa Sunset. No, it's not the name. And if you did, go ahead and keep watching.
Mommy,
What?
do I add an E to hopefully or no?
There's an E in hopefully.
Okay.
It's a shame that I just had to think about that.
Okay.
English major. They should take my degree away.
Mommy.
It's embarrassing.